Hello guys, welcome to Crepflips. Today we're going to be unboxing the Jordan 1 Low Fragment x Travis Scott. I bought these from Nike Sneakers for £145 from exclusive access. These are in a UK size 10. If you do enjoy this video, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Let's get into the unboxing. So in front of me I have the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low x Fragment. I think these are a very good sneaker. These are the first pair of Travis Scotts I've ever owned. The quality on these is very high. There's not much fraying of the stitching and no marks or really defects on the shoe at all. There's some inside Cactus Jack imprinting that I quite like, and it's got this sort of code number on the inside. I should probably look into what that means. Apart from that, there's some detailing on the tongue on each side. One is Cactus Jack, one is Fragment, and on one shoe on the back you have Fragment and Cactus Jack on the tongue, whereas on the other shoe you have the Fragment detailing with the Cactus Jack on the back. So overall, I think these are a very nice shoe. I bought these for retail, so I'm more than happy to have purchased them for £145, whereas currently resale is anywhere from 900 plus. And would I buy these for resale? No. So I'm happy I got them for retail. Overall, I do think they're a good shoe, and if you are looking to spend that amount of money, I don't think you'd be disappointed in picking these up. And I do believe that resale is only going to increase going forward. So I wouldn't say now is the optimal time to buy, but if you're looking to spend that amount of money anyways, I wouldn't say this is a bad time to pick these up. Or when they drop next week on the 13th of August for European countries. So overall, I'm impressed with these shoes. If you did enjoy this review and this unboxing, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos going forward, and thanks for watching.